Hi, my name is Richard Keiser, and I'm the founder and CEO of Common Energy. Common Energy is an amazing opportunity to earn tens of thousands of dollars while bringing guaranteed savings and clean energy to your family, friends, and community. But before we get into those details, I'd like to tell you a little bit more about myself and why I started Common, and also share my broader vision for the company. First, by training, I'm an engineer. I graduated from MIT and had a typical path from MIT to management consulting and then to Wall Street. I worked on Wall Street as a senior analyst for nearly a decade, where I analyzed new technologies and renewable energy. When I was in my mid-30s, I decided I wanted to work on something more meaningful. At the same time, I started to become more and more interested in global warming and in climate change. Climate change is the defining issue of our time, and without urgent action, there will be severe consequences for all life on Earth. Common Energy is a way to be part of the solution by helping to bring more clean energy to the electrical grid and by helping others save money at the same time. My vision is a clean energy economy that enables all of society to flourish. I use the word flourish because it captures not just the idea of living, but the idea of living in a healthy, positive, and sustainable way. We want our family to flourish, our garden to flourish, and our society to flourish. Flourishing is dependent on a lifestyle that respects each other and our planet's resources, and this is dependent on clean energy. Common Energy's mission is twofold. First, our goal is to accelerate clean energy adoption. We do this because with Common Energy, there's nothing to install at the home. This means that virtually everybody qualifies, and it makes signing up very easy. In fact, you can complete the entire process in 2 to 3 minutes. Our second goal is equally important, and that is to educate and inspire others to take actions that lower their carbon footprints. I want people to know and to understand how their energy is generated. And with each person that we enroll, we teach them more about their energy use and their energy footprint. I started Common Energy when I figured out there was a way to do both of these things and save people money at the same time. By signing up with Common Energy, you become part of a new group of energy leaders, bringing new, real clean energy projects to your community. Energy from these projects has first priority to the electrical grid, replacing fossil fuels and immediately lowering pollution. Because the cost of clean energy has fallen so much, and because of state incentives, we're able to offer our customers guaranteed savings. That means no teaser rates, no bait and switch, no polar vortex, and no excuses. Just real clean energy and real savings all of the time. I hope that this video and additional information about Common Energy will inspire you to make the same choice and to join me in bringing clean energy and savings to your family, your friends, and your community. Thank you, and let's get started.